Hello everyone, in this video we will go through roof shapes from simple roof shapes to more complicated one. So here, level 1, let's create a simple structure. Let's look at on 3D here, and for more convenient way, I want to look the plan in 3D side to side. So the shortcut WT for tile window. So here on 3D and plan. So let's create a roof for this simple structure. To create a roof, go to architecture, select roof and select a level for it. I'm gonna say yes. So here I can choose peak wall and give it overhang. Hit tab to highlight all connected walls. I'm gonna select. So here I created surrounding sketch of the roof. Here I've created a shape of something like hip roof. So I can edit the footprint and let's remove some slopes. So I'm gonna select these two lines and uncheck define slope here. Finish edit mode. Here is something like a gable roof. To connect the walls to the roof, select hit tab and highlight the connected walls, select all wall. Let's attach to top, select the roof. Here we go. Let's further edit the roof here. Now I just need shade roof, only one side slope. So let's uncheck define slopes for this line and hit finish. Now I've created a shade roof, something like this. Let's decrease the slope. Now it's 30 degrees, let's make it 50. It is simple shade roof. So here, this is the most basic roof structure. Let's go to more complicated one. So here on plan, let's create more complicated shape. So here I have this shape, as you can see, the 3D. To create a roof for this, select a roof. I'm gonna select level 2 and pick walls here. Hit tab to select all connected walls, select, and let's finish here. Now I've created something like this. Now I can further edit and I can decide which line needs to which side or line needs to have a slope or not. So at this time all sides or all lines have a slope assigned to them. So let's say let's ignore this one and check define slopes. Let's finish and look what we created. So here if I need something like this, I can do something like this and I can further edit and let's ignore this slope too, and also maybe edit and this one too. So here I can create something like this, and after I finished my roof shape I can connect the walls, select all and attach to top, select the roof. Now I've attached all walls to the roof. Now as you can see here, this is one entity roof. But sometimes when the shape is more complicated, it's difficult to finish it in one sketch of the roof. So at that time we will need individual separate roofs and we will then join them together. Let's delete this and so let's create a more complicated structure here. So let's start. Select roof, choose a level, pick walls for here. For instance, I might consider this. And then with trim and extend, I might create a loop for it for desired shape. and let's decide which line needs to have the slope or not. So for these two lines, let's uncheck the slope, and for these two, let's finish in. Look how it looks. Here I've created for this. Alright, so here I will attach the walls later after I finished my roofs. And let's create for this area now. Select a roof, pick a line for it. PR, rim extend corner, another line here, let's split this line, PR, and let's decide which line needs to have a slope. And for this line too. And I think this line should have a slope. This line don't need a slope here. Okay, let's finish and see how it looks like. Okay, now I'm creating my so here let's join this roof and this roof. To join, go to modify, pick join and join a roof, select the edge of this roof and this plane. Now our joined the two roofs together. So basically this roof needs to have a hole on this. So to create that opening, go to architecture, on opening tab click dormer. So select the roof we want to create an opening on it, and then pick roof or wall edge. So at this time I'm gonna click this one and it will automatically create those lines. So I'm gonna hit finish here. Now I've created an opening on this roof. So okay, in addition to that, let's fix this issue. This roof is penetrating this wall, so edit boundary. At this time it's nice to go here and select our pick line here. Split. So I'm gonna turn the slopes for those lines. I'm gonna hit finish. Now I've created my own roof here. I think okay, this needs to be the outer edge, so let's fix that edit boundary here. Finish it. Now it's fixed. So here I've created for these two lines. Now what I need to do is finishing for this one. So at this time I'm gonna use a roof, not just a roof, but let's get rid of this architecture. Let's click on this drop down and roof by extrusion. I'm gonna pick a plane here for this wall. It's gonna be level 3, hit OK, and I'm gonna pick a line here, hit tab, select the edge, select it, and here I can drag this line on 3D and hold shift key to keep it straight. For this one, I'm gonna draw a line here, keep 30° for here. Let's finish. Basically creates an extrusion for that profile line, so I'm gonna fix this one. It will extend to this, and this one also. So now I can join the two roofs, modify, join geometry, select this roof to this. Now let's start attaching the walls to the roofs. Let's tab, select attach to top, select this roof. Here again, there is a dormer around here, so I'm going to go to for this level 2, and here I need to create a wall, something like this, and let's make those walls attached to base. Start from this base one. That means you will not gonna see on here. So then, okay, I think one wall is left. Okay, let's mirror this one to go to top. Very similar. And again for these two attached to base, and I will start from the base one. Now I can join, and I can create a roof for this architecture roof level 3. Yes, equals, I'm gonna pick this one, this, and this. So okay, for these two lines, check define slope, check right, greater something like this. So let's join the roof, this edge to this one. I can attach all 3 walls or 4 walls to the top of this roof. Alright, now let's fix the other issues. So for this area I might need a separate roof, so level 1 here I'm gonna create a roof architecture roof. I'm gonna go with level 2 equal here, select line here to here. I'm gonna trim TR for trim extend corner. I'm gonna hit okay, let's uncheck slope for this line, finish. Let's minimize the slope, and here let's attach this wall to top this roof, and also this one, this roof, and this wall to the roof here. And here a little gap is created, so this roof needs to be extended to this wall. So here I need to create a roof by extrusion, and I'm gonna pick a plane, select this wall. On level 2, I'm gonna pick lines here, hit tab, select the edge. Now I've drawn a line, so it's gonna be extruded. So here the extrusion is created all the way to here, but I need to fill this gap, so I'm gonna use a line tool here, select tab, select this face, and then hit here, lock, and this wall to here's the extruded one, select it, and I'm gonna lock. So now I've created this roof. What I need to do now is just join the two. Click here and here. Now I've created something like this. Okay, likewise we will create for this area too. First, let's join these two walls to attach to the top here, and then I need to fill this gap. So architecture, roof by extrusion, pick a plane here, select this wall, I'm gonna select level 2, okay, pick line, tab, select this edge, extrusion will be created. I'm gonna align this one to here, lock this to this, and lock. I can join this geometry here. Here we go. Now I've created something like this. I can further edit what I want, but trying to consider different roofs and trying to accomplish the desired design. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel. See you on the next one.